This 2025 Forest River Sierra 3550BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 6 inches in length and features a switchback interior, sleeps 10, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, LP detector, skylight, leveling jacks, water heater, slide-out, stovetop burner, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.